Ventral hernia occurs when abdominal tissues protrude through a weakened area in the abdominal wall, forming a bulge or sac. These hernias commonly develop at the site of a previous surgical incision or weakness in the abdominal muscles due to factors like obesity, pregnancy, or heavy lifting. Symptoms may include a visible bulge or lump in the abdomen, discomfort or pain, especially when lifting heavy objects or straining, and sometimes nausea or vomiting. Treatment options range from watchful waiting for asymptomatic cases to surgical repair for symptomatic or larger hernias. Surgical techniques for ventral hernia repair include open surgery or minimally invasive procedures like laparoscopic surgery. Post-surgery, recovery typically involves pain management, restrictions on lifting and strenuous activity, and a gradual return to normal activities under medical guidance. Visit Professor Zahid Mahmood at Hameed Latif Hospital Garden Town for best treatment of all types of hernia.